For our humidifier product model, high-tech, stable, and durable, versatile. The die head is made of high-quality steel and precision machined via advanced processes, ensuring long-term use. With pre-sealing color, ensuring better molding effect for product bottle bases. Precision linear guide pen system, minimal deviation, high guiding accuracy. A CI in-bottle rapid cooling pen for faster product cooling. With upper and lower screw trimming devices. The bridge scrap conveyor, separate collection of scrap and finished products. With bottle picking robot device, placing finished products on the finished product conveyor belt for subsequent processing procedures. Highly automated machine, fast and stable operation, high production efficiency.